So, here again, why are we attending flag ceremony? No, na-question natin Permida. Siguro, Sir Lay, during interview, may hamalon mo nga, are you willing to abide by the rules of the civil service? Are you willing to attend flag ceremony? Parang hindi na-inject sa kato, no? Kasi, are we attending flag ceremony dahil sa attendance? Raise your hand. May attendance, kung pag may penalty. May attendance, may penalty. Mas may attendance, may penalty, wag ng gapon. But it is our obligation as Filipino citizen and as government servants to attend flag ceremony. So, kung ayaw niyo mag-flag ceremony, hindi ka mo mag-join sa government service dahil required kita. Certainly, required kita kami. Required kita makita. So, part of our duty as government servant para ma-develop atong love for our country, love for our work, love for our income. So, update natin. Last week, na-finalize na AIP natin. Last week, may blood donation kita. Thank you sa mga donors. And may bisita kita. Sir Ray, may bisita imaw sa Treasurer's Office from Coronadal City ng benchmarking. This week, especially June 11, is the LG evaluation naman kita. And may MOA signing sa Iloilo. So, kaina, no, hambal sa atin na pastor, kaina na 80%, no? Yes, 80% of our success lies in planning. And 20% in the implementation. I know na kita tanan iyahay, may mga goals, may plan na kita sa buhay natin, pero kung amato kita na succeed, dahil kulang kita sa implementation. In my own experience, at this age of 64, ay to succeed, ay dapat ay may kita, may structure ato ng pagpangabuhi, may habits kita na ginasunod, kung anong plano natin ginasundan. Kung bata kami di maawat, but that's life, no? Kung di kita magpalo sa ato ng plan, sa ato ng structure, no? Kung palaboy-laboy lang kita, isigulaki, ay malistan kita, no? That's why we have to wake up at 6 o'clock, we have to be here at 8, we have to do exercise, we have to do our work, we have to be home, and we need also self-control and discipline. Kawasan natin mga bisyo, mga vices natin. So do yun, no? Do yun again life. Sometimes we'd like to be free. Gusto lang ko, brown ko, inom ako, kaon ako. But at the end of the year, nabrahan ko? Kamu man dahil minulsol. So, man ako pahulang sa inalinan. Because you have not followed the structure, we don't have discipline, we don't have self-control, and we don't have commitment to ourselves and to our family, to our work to improve. So, kita at this age, so far, we have gone so far. Yan na kamo, may trabaho na kamo. Medyo successful na kita. But, in order to be more successful, we need structure, discipline, self-control, and commitment. Sir, tama? Yes. No? Hopefully, mag-gets man kamo karon. So, good morning, everyone, and God bless you all, and do your best in our work. Good morning!
Thank you so much.